Hey, good morning, y'all. Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are at, oh man, of course something just died on me. What was that just died? Anyway, we are at Lake Murray. First time coming here. So we are going to figure this place out. Not today. It is the weekend, so we got time to bull crap around. I don't know which way we gonna go or where we gonna go, but we gonna try to find some fish, y'all. Ah, man. Had a little mishap at the ramp. Got my feet super wet because I had my boots on and the water went right over the top of my boots, so I had to switch out to my shoes. Anyway, let me get to talking crap. Welcome back to the channel, man. Let's go fish, find some fish out here in Lake Murray. Don't know where we're gonna go, but we're gonna try to find something and make today a good one. So y'all come along for the ride, man. Come on, Nick. Girl built like an anvil, boy. So I have no clue on where I'm going. We're just gonna go. We're gonna go until we either mark some fish and fish for them, or we're gonna just go somewhere where we find something that looks interesting, man. Should be a pretty chill day. A nice day, actually. A lot warmer than it was last time I was out. So hopefully we can enjoy this day and put a fish or two in the boat. I don't know what time I'm getting out of here. It's 9 o'clock now. I mean 8 o'clock, 8:15. I wanted to be out here about 7:30, but you know, I like to sleep too. So about 8:15 ish. We out here now. We're gonna find out or see what we can catch. Like I said, I don't know how far I'm gonna run to, but we're just gonna keep moving. I'm gonna look at the map and see if I can find something out here. I don't think I'm gonna see nothing in, right now I'm about 40 feet of water. I'd rather go find something in that 10 to 20 feet of water. Man, it feels great to be out here finally. I've been coming off here for a while, but we here now. What I got for the lineup today, man, is I got 3 crankbaits. I got shallow, I got medium, and I got deep. I got a little top water. Of course, I got the ChatterBait. That's always with us. Jig is always with us. And I got flutter spoon, which I may switch out to a jigging spoon, depending on how I feel. But that's what we're doing today. Mostly trebles. That's how I roll. Got some fish doing something on top. We're gonna see if we can get them to jump on this jerk bait. What do we have here? Oh, there's bass. It's a fighting bass. Come on here, little guy. Oh, wow. What do we have here? I don't know if that's a spot or not. Ah, no, don't put that in me. Don't put that in me. Oh my goodness. So, throwing the spoon down there. This guy. Yeah, is that? Y'all tell me. I don't know if that's a spot or not. But he ate every bit of that thing. Finally got some fish. There's some fish down there. Nah, I don't know. It may be a largemouth. But he's little. And he ate the spoon. Alright, buddy. Thank you. Now, there's more down there. Hopefully they'll jump on this, man. I've been out here for a little while now, man. They ain't got nothing. I'm sitting in 53 feet of water, man. And that dude just killed that on the way up. So hopefully we can get some more of them dudes down there. That is the first fish I've had on a flutter spoon. So yay me, I guess. This fish definitely down here, man. So let's just see if they want to munch on this. Like I said, I'm sitting at 53. He definitely didn't bite at the bottom. He bit on the way up. So, I mean, some of them are suspended. Some of them are on the bottom. And some of them are sitting suspended at about 20-something feet. Man, I can't find them no more. I'm trying to chase them down. They not up here. You're gonna run up in, I'm gonna run up in here. See if they push. Oh, there go. I see them busting all over, man, but it's like I can't get to them fast enough. So I just got to be fortunate enough to be in a spot where they start busting. I can just make a cast to it. But they're all around here. I thought it was striper. It may still. I don't know if there's striper in here or not. Y'all tell me if there's striper in Murray. I'm assuming there is. But that's what I thought they were. But that guy came up. A green bass. You gotta be kidding me, man. It was a gar. I'm looking at my graph, man. I'm like, yo, this a lot of something down there. Oh man, this doggone gar just came and smashed it. Look at him. That's a big one. Man. Come on, dude. How are we gonna get this off of you? Huh? Yep, we're splashing the boat. Being crazy. That's a beautiful fish though, man. Dang. I don't want to mess with them teeth, I'm hoping he just come off on his own. Get up. Don't jump over here. Don't jump in my boat. Let's help each other out. Alright. You only got one hook in you. You just got the one. Just give me a little head shake, man. Get off. No, but that would be too easy. Oh my gosh. Hey. Ah! He almost jumped in the boat that time. I don't know why I'm playing with this fish. I just don't feel like dealing with it, man. Like, I don't... If I had some long pliers, I'd get him off, man, but... He just put another hook in him. Get off, dog. I really want my jerk bait back. I just don't want this dude to bite me. I don't want to put him in the net. Should we put him in the net? Hell no. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to get my doggone jerk bait back. We'll figure out. We almost got you off. Oh, you got my line now. Oh, you got my line. Oh my gosh. There you go. Get out of there, buddy. Oh my goodness. I got... Man. Stupid guard, man. Now let's retie. That was fun. Not really, though. But let me retie this on, man, and we're gonna try to get some more actual fish, actual bass. Cut off some more line. Oh, that was fun until it wasn't fun. Golly, I can't believe that. I watched him eat it too, but I was like, yo, that looked super long to be a bass, man. I ain't caught a gar in a long time. Oh man, there's another gar. Let me get out of here. I just saw another gar come up. I don't want no parts of that. we got? We got us a guy. I knew I saw somebody down there. Get over here, buddy. Hey. You got caught peeking. Yeah, little guy. But look, I know it was something down there. We'll take him. Another guy on the flutter. Man, it is definitely slow. I'll tell you that much, man. But catching them new ways for me anyway, so I'll take that. Alright, gang. No more fish, man. That is gonna do it for me. Our first trip out on Murray, wasn't too bad. We didn't get skunked, so that's always a good thing, right? But only 2 fish. We caught them on the flutter spoon, which is cool, I guess. And then we got that big old gar on our jerk bait, man. So, cool day. I mean, it's not bad for your first time out here, I guess, right? Cool, y'all agree with that? Anyway, let me get up out of here, man. Thank you guys for watching, man. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. And leave me a comment. I'll get back to y'all as always. Y'all take it easy, man. Peace.